Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by opening Instagram and going straight to Settings. This protects you immediately. Once there, tap Security and then two-factor authentication to start. You need either your phone number or an authenticator app. Choose which you prefer because it affects recovery and speed. Do this now so your next login uses two factors. Remember why? It blocks unauthorized access even if someone gets your password, so make sure your contact method is current and in your possession. Now choose the concrete method. Text message or an authenticator app each has trade-offs. If you pick an app, install it, and when Instagram prompts, tap Use Authenticator app, the app will either detect Instagram or you'll scan the QR code. Once linked, the app shows rotating 6-digit codes. Enter one to verify. If you chose text, Instagram will send a 6-digit SMS. Type it in to confirm. Make sure codes match and that your phone's time is accurate for app codes. Finish by saving backup codes Instagram provides. Store them offline or in a secure password manager because they're your recovery key. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to test that Instagram asks for the second factor. That confirms everything works. If you ever lose your phone, use those backup codes or follow Instagram's account recovery process. Troubleshooting tip: if codes aren't accepted, check your phone's time setting and resync the Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.